In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use a Grommets machine to make an eyelet hole on a fabric. So I place the bigger part at the bottom. There's a smaller part. I'm going to be screwing it onto the up part. This machine can be used to make snap buttons, cover buttons, and also eyelet holes. You can also use it in making different sizes of eyelet holes. You just have to get the various sizes of dies for it. So here I'm going to be putting the eyelet hole button, the big part at the bottom, and the very slim part on top of it, just above it, to create the eyelet hole. So I'm going to be pressing down my machine for this purpose. As I'm doing right here, I'm just going to press it hard a bit to get your buttons to seal together. Then to open up, I'm going to be using a scissors to open it up, just as I did here in this video. You can see how neat it is. For more useful tips, subscribe and like and share. Thank you.